Okay, let's unpack this. You've probably felt it, right? Drowning in information online, trying to pull out specific bits of data from websites without, spending hours scrolling or getting tangled up in code. You need quick, useful info. And today, we're diving into a tool that says it can help with exactly that. For web data, specifically.
Exactly. We're looking at an AI-powered Chrome extension today. It's called Chat4Data.
Hmm.
And the big question we're asking is, can AI really make grabbing data from the web easy, like
Yeah.
truly effortless for anyone?
Yeah, just talk to it and get data.
That's the promise.
That's the core idea, the no-code approach. The sources we looked at really hammer this home. Extract structured data from any website just by chatting with AI. Simple as that. They even say 3 clicks is all it takes. And it gets data 10x faster with presets because it automatically spots useful stuff on the page.
Right. It tries to intelligently guess what you might want, which speeds things up considerably.
Which is huge. It feels like it shifts the focus, doesn't it? Away from the grunt work of collecting data towards, well, figuring out what to do with it. What does that open up for, say, the average user?
Well, that's a great point. It really does sort of democratize things. Think about small businesses, maybe researchers, or just someone really curious. Suddenly they can gather insights that before needed, coding skills or maybe big budgets for tools.
Right. Levels the playing field.
Exactly. And it's pretty versatile, too. The Chat4Data isn't just grabbing text. It can pull images, links, emails, phone numbers, even things that might be hidden in the page code sometimes.
Okay, hidden elements too. Interesting.
Yeah. And a really key feature is how it handles pagination automatically. When listings are spread across multiple pages.
Oh, yeah, the endless clicking.
Gone. It scans websites for full listings, aiming to deliver the complete data set with, and this is a quote, zero manual effort required.
Oh.
Honestly, I remember doing that manually. Click, wait, scribe, click.
My index finger remembers too. So that automation for pagination sounds great, but are there sites where it might struggle a bit or need more guidance?
Good question. It's optimized for most HTML websites. It apparently works particularly well on listing pages. Think e-commerce sites like Amazon as mentioned.
Okay.
If a site relies heavily on complex JavaScript to load content, it might need a little more specific instruction through the chat. But for most standard sites, it handles pagination pretty smoothly.
Got it. So let's talk about that chat function. How do you actually, tell the AI what you want? You mentioned prompting it.
Right. You basically prompt it to your spreadsheet. You just describe what you need using normal language. So if you want prices from a product page, you literally might type add price field. Simple as that.
Just type it in the chat.
Yep. Or say you want to clean up the data you're seeing. You could command delete rating field.
Yeah.
And if the AI kind of misunderstands or the results look off, you can ask it to reanalyze this page.
So you can correct it.
Exactly. The documentation stresses. No menus or coding, just tell Chat4Data what you need. And then, once you're happy, you can download everything neatly into an Excel file.
Wow. Just talking your way to a spreadsheet. That's pretty different. Okay, so for you listening, what does this actually mean in practice? How do you get this thing running? Any catches?
Getting started seems designed to be easy. It's basically 3 steps. First, download and install the Chrome extension, standard stuff. Second, sign up for a free Chat4Data account and log in. And third, just go to the website you want data from, click the extension icon to enable it, and start chatting.
Okay. Free account. Is there a limit?
Yeah, new users get 1 million free tokens to try it out, which sounds like quite a lot, actually, enough to really test it. Ever use those up? The top-ups are priced at just $1 per $1 million tokens.
$1? That seems very affordable.
It does. Makes it pretty accessible. There is one important limitation to keep in mind, though. Currently, historical sessions and data storage aren't supported.
Okay. So what does that mean practically?
It means you really need to download your data right after you've collected it using the chat. If you close the browser or navigate away without downloading, you might lose that extracted data. So grab it while it's hot, basically.
Good tip. Download immediately. Got it. Still, it's pretty amazing how AI is making something like web scraping, which used to feel quite technical, so much more accessible. Turning a web page into data just by asking, it really changes the game.
It absolutely does. And, this brings up a bigger point, maybe a final thought for you listening. As these AI tools make gathering complex information easier and easier, almost effortless, is the real challenge shifting. Maybe it's less about how we get the data now and more about asking the right questions of that data. And crucially, how we interpret the answers the AI gives us. What are the critical insights we should be looking for?